Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Soon be a cowboy. Washing. Baby, I love you. Don't forget to, baby, you can see me. Hope you can see me, baby. I'm clear myself. Tomorrow morning, I can even sleep, baby. Can you see? It's clear. The other one? Hello guys, this is secret. Let's see the fact. This is secret. Think about your life. Why did you share? What are you waiting for? Share more, man. Bachelor life secrets. I'm sorry, guys, for exposing the secret. Force of circumstance, guys. I'm exposing ourselves. Let us empower ourselves, guys. So it's so clean. You can see. You can see down there. Say hi if you want to sit down there. Guys, how are you doing? Embarrassing ourselves. Gentlemen, this is a secret. When we're going dating, light of the lights, madam, we are looking for. You know, we are exposing ourselves so that they know every clean man has everything as it was ready when. Fuck. Can't you see? It's okay. You want to see? I'm taking a shower. You want to see? Bum, 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 bum. How many of you want to see? Down there, down. You want to see? Guys. This is exposing the secret of the young gentleman who was young. Oh, guys. Well, the viewers, if you have data, if you don't, it's supposed to update. Please subscribe for my YouTube channel, Kasim Omar, to see more and more. There, you can see, it's now clean. Now, I did mistake. Oh, guys. Fuck. It's now clear. Now I want to take shower, guys. Stay tuned. Don't go. Let me put there. Now, impossible, guys. Here? Yes, it is. Do you want to see? 1, 2. Let me start. Here, guys. But this more than exposing a shame, guys. I can't do that. Hey. If please like it, share. Go also to my YouTube channel, Kasim. I love you guys. Bye. Let me do this other thing.